Hello, I'm Rachel and I welcome you all to Executive Corner Expert Talks. Today I'm speaking with Blair Norfolk. Blair is the Managing Director of Biome Australia. They develop, commercialise and market innovative evidence-based live biotherapeutics and complementary medicines with clinically proven health benefits. It aims to prevent disease, improve health outcomes and quality of life, and makes its products accessible to all. Here at Kalkine, we bring you industry leaders, successful business owners, market and equity advocates, all under one roof to help you discover the insights of the stock market and help you understand how you can create multiple passive income streams. Welcome to you today, Blair. Great to have a chat with you.
Hello, Rachel. Thank you for having us.
Good to speak with you today. So firstly, we'd love to hear a little bit more about Biome. What can you tell us about the company?
Be a pleasure. So Biome Australia was founded in July 2018 off the back of several years of research and development that the team put in to bring out a world-first range of novel live biotherapeutics. A live biotherapeutic is essentially an isolated probiotic strain that has been researched to support a specific health concern. I think in today's instance we'll be talking about acne and also asthma.
Now, we've been looking at your plans launching the Biome Acne Probiotic. That's the world's first clinically validated probiotic for the treatment of acne. How has this been received by the market?
I think when we announced it on Tuesday, it was fairly well received. There was strong volume going through, and I think within our market, that is pharmacies and health professionals, they're very, very excited. So, we're taking pre-orders from all of our distributors and partners, and we'll be on an education roadshow with doctors and pharmacists getting out there and explaining how a probiotic, which is typically understood for gut health, can significantly improve the quality of life of patients with the conditions such as acne.
Now, the acne market is worth billions of dollars. Do you think people, as you mentioned there, will be able to relate a probiotic with helping acne? And do you expect this area to be a large growth area?
Absolutely. So the way that we work as a professional range, our activated probiotics, which is the brand that we'll be selling Biome Acne through, it's sold through recommendation of a health professional. So the pharmacist will be engaging with a patient or a parent of a child who's got acne, and they'll talk through how this specific probiotic has been shown to improve a patient's outcome by up to 40% over an 8-week period, as seen in the trial. So for us, it's a very important issue within community health. We're a passionate company that's in the business of improving patient health outcomes while also providing an opportunity for a health professional to, grow their basket size, improve their, gross profit. But with this product, it's quite interesting because it is also crossing over into a condition that affects many people's mental health. So many of us will remember being a teenager and having acne and having to go to school with pimples on your face, and it can be quite a severe issue to deal with for adolescents. But also a big part of the market is, females in that 30 to 40 category that they're really investing in their skin and looking for, natural solutions, because the pharmaceutical drugs within this category, however, can be effective, also come with a multitude of side effects. So this product offers an option for people looking for something natural that has clinical evidence backing up its effectiveness, but also free from, common pharmaceutical side effects.
Absolutely. It can be completely debilitating for anybody suffering with acne. Now, this probiotic release follows some groundbreaking results that you saw from clinical trials with asthma sufferers for the Biome Breathe probiotic, where asthma symptoms in children were massively reduced in clinical trials. What can you tell me about this?
So that is incredibly exciting for our business and for asthma sufferers worldwide. So that product is quite an important breakthrough in clinical research relating to allergic asthma, which is the main form of asthma. So we studied a trial population of 440 children across, I believe, 13 centres in Italy, and saw a 64% reduction in asthma events, which is the frequency and severity of asthma attacks. So this offers a really strong and incredibly valuable opportunity for patients who are suffering with asthma to help alongside the existing pharmaceutical interventions that exist, which is the breathable steroids for prevention, or the Ventolin inhaler, which patients will take when having an asthma attack. So this one is just so important because for us, I mean, the idea that we could wake up on a Monday morning and be helping health professionals educate health professionals on how to support patients with asthma is such an important and massive problem to be solving.
Absolutely. And just looking at some of your financials now, how have things been going so far this year?
So we IPO'd the 30th of November last year. So currently we have about 7 million cash at bank, and we've just completed our half year FY22 accounts. We released to market a couple of weeks ago that we've doubled versus the previous corresponding period in FY21. So really strong growth, 100% growth versus previous corresponding period. And we're excited to share more financial updates with the market over the coming weeks and months.
Excellent. And obviously the IPO year is a very special year. What does the future look like for Biome?
So more research and development. However, we have reached a point now that we have 23 products in market, and we have 2,500 distribution points in Australia, and now launched into the UK market and exploring other European markets. So for us, it's a big year of growth and investment in sales and marketing. Currently, we're tracking, I think for the half year, we were about 1.81 million and on 100% growth. So we're really looking at potentially growing our distribution footprint over the next 6 to 12 months, and then expanding our sales in all of the existing markets. So it is the point that we've been working hard to get to. All that research and all that development is now getting to market and explaining, educating doctors and health professionals on how to use these products and how to improve a patient's life with a number of diseases. So it's not just asthma and eczema. We also work in mental health. We have ongoing clinical research projects with La Trobe and Federation University in Victoria. All of those are on products already at market, and we're looking to further improve the efficacy of those products. So there's some research, but then a big part of it is now just sales development.
Absolutely, such a fascinating area and important areas to work within. Thank you so much for your time today, Blair. It's been great to chat with you.
My pleasure. Thank you, Rachel. Bye-bye.
Thank you. And with that, I will sign off for now, but watch this space for more. Till then, stay apprised and invest wise with Kalkine.